Get into a car with value. 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy owning a vehicle that's your true blue ally in the face of life's ever-increasing demands. The Grand Caravan's smart, versatile design has you covered in safety and comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on the chance to have the family vehicle that maximizes comfort, safety, and fun. Drive the Grand Caravan.